Howdy, folks. John Weber here, 5D Spiritual Quest guy. This is the 5D New Human Spiritual Quest podcast. First time here? Welcome. Are you in 5D yet? We use the term 5D New Human as a new awareness. What is 5D New Human? Frequency. It's what's resonating everywhere right now on planet Earth. Everyone is now resonating in the frequencies and connecting to spirituality. We're connecting to the frequencies of love and light. These are the things that are coming to the surface, right? How do you know if you're 5D? Begins like this. 5D new humans, we breathe in, deep breath, long, slow exhale with a hiss. Stop all other thoughts. Just focus on what you feel in here when all noise and everything is just shut off. And just feel in your belly the frequency of peace. 5D New Human Perception. When you discover this place within you, that's 5D New Human Perception. And the 5D New Human is the person who connects to this and reconnects to this and stably connects to this and resonates with coherence, resonates with understanding, resonates with love and light and strength and composure. It's a frequency. It's a frequency. It's something that you feel. So right now, there's a lot of people who are into the spiritual stuff. And so there's all these terms. 5D New Human is one of them, right? 5D perception. What is that? What is this quantum field, the quantum reflex, right? The quantum mind, the quantum field, all spiritual terms, right? What is Christ consciousness? What is Buddha consciousness? What is meditation? Right? These are all words. Feel the words, but there's a frequency attached to them. We hear a lot about non-duality. And I saw one of the girls I follow just have a complete meltdown, just completely explode on somebody, resonating this frequency of love and light and this non-duality and that spiritual bypassing of a non-duality thought. Those who hear Christ consciousness, those who hear love and light, it's irritating if you haven't found this place within you. Because when we're talking about this place within us, it's not something that you know intellectually. It's not something that you figure out because you read the right book. 5D New Human Perception is a frequency. It's a feeling. It's a sensation. And what makes us different than the AIs and the computer algorithms, right, and the machines is that as humans, we vibrate in this frequency of life itself, right? So feel that frequency within you. When you take your deep breath and you hold it and you slowly exhale with a hiss, you will notice that your heart is pumping. That pumping inside of your chest is being pumped by source energy. Source energy is the frequency of life itself. That's God. We call that God. Many people call that God. Many people call this the mind, the conscious mind, the subconscious mind. Our collective mind space. Is it a mental thing? Is it? Is it a spiritual thing? Is it a physical thing? When it's pumping in your chest, that's life pumping in you. You know that you're alive. And that happens without you doing anything. In fact, you are so connected to Source that you can try to stop breathing. You can literally take your powerful mind, and I don't care how much time and attention and how powerful you think you are. If you think you can control your mind, you can use your mind to stop breathing. You can hold your breath. For how long can you hold your breath? until Source says you can't hold your breath anymore, because the true one in charge is Source, God, God's source. This is the frequency of life itself. That frequency of life flows through me as a human being. It flows through you as a human being. And it flows through every other human being on the planet. It flows through every living thing and every living system in our reality is the God source frequency. And every single thing that exists on this planet was created by this God frequency. Because God created everything that is biological and organic and natural and everything that's here. And everything physical that was created by human beings who, from their own God coherent sense, made out a plan, and they designed buildings, and they figured out how to do things, right? So there is a collective love and light frequency. That is the 5D new human frequency. You're attached to it. That's the love and light. That's God. And our heart is an umbilical cord to that source energy. That source energy is abundance, abundance, abundance. You cannot consume the love and light that you are. You can invest every ounce of your love and light, and you can never run out of it. And here's the secret. Here's the 5D new human secret. Here's the non-duality secret. Here's the spiritual bypassing secret. Here's the secret of all secrets. Are you listening in? Listen in and notice. Here it is. Feel this frequency. Feel this frequency. The secret of all life is to know that I am this frequency. This life frequency flows through me. I and this frequency, my Father, are one. We're the same thing. And so there's only one goal, and there's only one place of this 5D new human perception, this non-duality, this Christ consciousness, this Buddha consciousness, right? This quantum field resonance, this coherent frequency, this love and light. There's only one place that we connect to that. Deep breath, feel here. Click, clug, click, clug, click, clug. Feel this here. Click, clug, click, clug, click, clug. Focus on that frequency. That frequency is in your belly. That is love and light. And there's only one person here that you have to make that connection with. You. You. It's you with you. When you connect with this frequency, there's non-duality. You realize that this frequency is life itself. This life itself is pure love and light. And this pure love and light loves me.